Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at the points P and Q respectively. If 2, minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, then coordinates of PQ are respectively. Let's try to visualize the situation here. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Points P and Q intersect y and x axis respectively. So this is P point and this is Q point. So as a rule, point P has x coordinate 0. So 0 comma y is the are the coordinates of point P. And since Q is lying on x axis, as a rule, its y coordinate is 0. So it has x comma 0 these coordinates, and it is given that 2 minus 5. This is point which is intersecting PQ at its midpoint. So 2 comma minus 5 is midpoint. So we can simply use midpoint formula here. Midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. We can simply put the values here. So we get 2 comma minus 5 is equal to x1 is 0, x2 is x by 2, and y1 is y and y2 is 0 by 2. Now we can simply equate respective coordinates here, that is x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate, in order to get the values. So we get 2 equal to x by 2. So that gives us, because x plus 0 is x, so that gives us x equal to 4, and minus 5 equal to y by 2. That gives us y equal to minus 10. Since y plus 0 is y, we get this equation. So we got y equal to minus 10 and x equal to 4. So the coordinates of P and Q are 0 comma minus 10 and Q is 4 comma 0. So let's see, answer is option D, 0 comma minus 10 and 4 comma minus 0. Answer is option D.